with a mighty claw, scooping soil with open jaw. Down it digs, then up it goes, making space for pipes and rows. Dump truck comes with a rumbling sound, carries dirt from underground. Back it tilts, the load goes thud, out pours rocks and sand and mud. Bulldozer roars across the land, clears the path with blades so grand. It pushes rubble left and right, making roads so smooth and tight. Oh, the roller's big and strong and wide, rolling slowly side to side. With a press and heavy roll, it makes the road feel smooth and whole. The crane stands tall, it doesn't bend, lifting steel from end to end. Hook goes up and moves around, building towers off the ground. Mixer truck goes round and round, spinning cement without a sound. Concrete pours down steady and slow, where builders point and guide the flow. JCB digs with mighty might, digs in day and digs in night. It breaks through rock and heavy clay, helping roads get built each day. The grader scrapes with metal blade, levels land that's newly made. With a push and steady glide, it flattens earth on every side. Backhoe has a bucket strong, it lifts up dirt all day long. One side digs, the other drives, helping workers change our lives. Skid steer turns so fast and neat, zooms around on tiny feet. With many tools, it's small but grand, helping build across the land. Oh, say dig, dig the ground, big machines all around. Roll and lift, pull and lay, they build our world every day.